Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the paper tray not coming back on your Canon PIXMA TS5150. So first, what you guys want to do is go over here. As you guys can see, we cannot close it. So what we want to do is we want to pull it to our side. Now here we will need to take this cover off, and here we will have the little button. I'll show you guys. Let me just get it all. Here we will have the button that we need to slightly push, and then we can make it smaller. Now let's insert it again. And as you guys can see, it's coming right in. And yes, I forgot about that. But this isn't something that we shouldn't worry about right now. So basically, let's just get it. Let's click the button slightly. And now let's place it back. Let me quickly place it. Now what we can do is we can basically push it back, and now our paper tray is back inside. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.